So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you another newly launched best Solana blockchain meme coin here. Okay, and this meme coins have too many unique things. That's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin on Solana ecosystem here. Okay, here you can see Kenheimer's name, KHI symbol. Current market cap ranking is nearly 600 number ranking. Current price $1. Okay, that just dropped by almost 5% in last 24 hours. Here you can see the most unique thing about this meme coin is that its total supply is just 54 million coins only. Okay, only 54 million coins supply, and this is a meme coin, and that's why this meme coin is very unique, and it's all supply in circulation. So it, and other unique thing that there's no token left to come in circulation in future. Okay, and nearly $59 million market cap. So this is awesome. Okay, so market cap is still very low. Okay, as this meme coin is very potential, and here you can see this the Solana ecosystem meme coin here, and its all-time high was 20 days ago, $1.9, means already we hit $2. Okay, and all-time low was $1.17. Then we have nearly 500% up than its all-time low that was just 2 months ago. Okay, so coin is launched this year 2024. Okay, so this meme coin is going to fast its first bull run with just 54 million coin supply all in circulation. So I think this meme coin can be the next big meme coin on Solana ecosystem, already listed on too many good exchanges, centralized exchanges just like MEXC, Bitget exchange. Okay, and maybe in coming days we can see its listing on KuCoin exchange, because KuCoin exchange also list too many meme coins. Okay, so this meme coin can be the next listing for KuCoin exchange, or maybe we can see its listing on Bybit or many other major exchanges. And when this meme coin will be listed on many other major exchanges, then definitely we can see its price pumping here, and this meme coin can perform really amazing in coming 12 to 15 months here. Okay, my price prediction for this meme coin is that, because there's no well involved in this meme coin, if you're gonna check this meme coin on Sol scan, then you will find the highest holder is Bitget exchange, and second highest holding for this meme coin have on MEX exchange. There is no well involved, so this meme coin can perform really amazing in this bull run, and its price can goes up to $20 or maybe $50 in this bull run, because $59 million market cap only. So from this market cap, it is 100% possible that this meme coin can gain the market cap of 3 to maybe $5 billion. Okay, in coming 12 to 15 months in mega bullion, then definitely this meme coin can be the next 100 to 1000x potential meme coin, and then we can see its price from 20 to maybe $50. Okay, but personally friends, I'm still not holding this meme coin, but I'm soon going to buy this meme coin from MEXC. Okay, just I will buy its 5 coins, because this is a meme coin and meme coins are highly risky, so you have to just invest very low amount in meme coins. Okay, if they perform really amazing, if they convert your $5 into $5000, then that's awesome. But there are too many meme coins that can be the scammed, or that can be rugged also, so invest very less amount in meme coins. Okay,